Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and today I'm going to talk about Intel earnings because yesterday new earnings was released of Q2 in 2024, and it was pretty. It's not really that bad, I think, but there are some key points, some key point takeaways that are pretty bad. As you can see, the price was around 29 USD, and now it's aftermarket, so it's not yet because the market is closed, but it's 23.56 USD. Pretty big drop. Yeah, and so in a few episodes back, I have bought into Corp at $32, so I'm pretty down on it, but I'm planning to buy more of it. And so these are the earnings. As you can see, reducing operating expenses. So because of this news, the price was dropping, in my opinion. They are into expects to reduce headcount by greater than 15%. So that means they are going to fire 15% of their employees. So yeah, that's pretty bad. And they're also going to put away their dividends. They're not going to pay any dividends anymore. Going to scrap that. So that are the main points why the price is dropping, in my opinion. But because of the earnings and the revenues, it's actually not that bad when you look back 3 months ended in the year before. So revenue is a bit lower, but it's actually peanuts in my opinion. But the operating income is a bit lower. So that means they have an income loss. What means they have a negative earnings per share, so that's not good. So that's probably why the price is dropping. With they are firing people and cutting their dividends. But so yeah, assets, total current assets, it's increasing, and total assets also a bit more liabilities, but that can be investments. They're investing in some things for the future, so that's not pretty bad. And as you can see, yeah, at the end of the period, their cash and cash equivalents are also increasing, so that's good. So yeah, I'm going to buy more Intel because I want to lower my average cost. But I'm probably going to buy because I think the stock price is now at 23. So I'm probably going to wait around here, this price somewhere. You see this gray box. And this price, I want to buy more Intercore because I think that the earnings, and I mean revenues, etc., are not even that bad. But it's the dividend cut and the employee firing. So yeah, I hope you guys. It's a short video, but I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. So please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one.